Alright, right now let's deal with the about, with the get user, right? If I delete all this, guys, look. And right now I want to create const about equal with a weight about schema, and what we want here, we want to find all the data, right? Of course, when we use a weight, we need the async here. Now rest.json, we want to see the about. Right. Let's try and make a request. We don't need this anymore. Right? And we get an empty it's empty, guys. Look, we don't get anything. An empty array, if you see here. Look here. We don't have anything. It's empty. Also, let's now open, because it's very important to work with Postman in order to understand things better, because we don't have the client right now, right? So we are gonna, let's make a get. Okay, we need only the about, right? And we got an empty array. We don't have anything. Let's go here, press the plus, push the post, right? Go here in body, press the row, then we need JSON. We need to create a JSON, right? About, right? I'm gonna write hello everyone, my name is Codito and I am web developer. Blah 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 blah, and it's going, it's writing. Okay, this is that we are gonna say. So we need the post. Also we need copy this destination, guys. Okay. Let's create right now the post here. This is the get that we created, right? We are getting the data right now. Let's create the post. Delete this. Beautiful. Let's go and what we need. Let's also bring the const about equal rec.body. We are getting all the about here, all the data that there is in body. We got only the about. Or you can just do the same. I'm gonna show you something in a few minutes. So const new about, let's write new, equal with new about schema. Okay, about schema, I'm calling all this here. Look, I'm calling the about schema that we have in about ctrl, right? About schema. What we want to put here, we want to put the about, right? About about. We want this. Or also you can do this, guys. You can do the rec.body.about. It's the same thing, right? But we created it much more elegant in this way, with this structuring. Okay, I'm gonna leave about. Also, if it is the same, we can just with ES6 just use about, right? After this, what we need? We need to use async again, and now await new about dot save. We want to save the data, okay, in database, and the rest dot JSON, we want to see the data that has been saved, okay. New about. Beautiful. Let's see right now what happened. Resolution new about. If I make a post request, look, boom, we saved the data. We can see the data right now here, right? By default, MongoDB, it creates a specific ID, so we don't need to put an ID. So here is the data. Don't believe me? Let's see. Let's also go in our browser. Now we got the get here, the get. Look, we got the data. Don't believe me yet. So let's go to MongoDB right now. Sign in. Okay, every time I have to do the same things. Where is the connect? We have. This is the best portfolio that we created, our project. Collections. Come on, come on, come on. Why it is so late? Okay, about. Look, here is the about that we have, guys. And here, look here, my portfolio is what we created. Did you remember here in, where is the... Envy. Look here, we put it my portfolio. Also, if you put best portfolio here, if you write best portfolio, you are going to see here best portfolio as the name, right? Here the about is what you created. Look, about what you created here is the about. Look, the about here. Okay, nice. Let's work right now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you very quickly a second way of making a post. This is the first way with async and await. If we just comment this, also before showing you the other way, guys, we need to make a try catch. The reason, because if there is problem, we don't want all the application to break, guys, to break, right? So we are gonna put inside the try all the code here, cat, right? Let's make it much a little bit elegant. Const about, cut it, put it here, the start. And here we need to make a rest.status, let's say 500.json, right? MSG, and just right here server problem, right? This is the first. Let's see if it works, if it still works. Let's write here, where is it? Gonna be the postman. Let's write something else here, blah 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 blah, right? Send, boom, it has been sending. If I just reload here, okay, nice. Let's go now. This is the first way, guys, right? The second way is by just disabling all the try here, all these things, right? Going here, let's write second way. Promises, right? We need to put the let me see. Let's create a new about here, right? Copy, right? What do I do right now? New about. Let's write here the about. About second with prom, okay, and we have to write new about dot save, right? After this dot, then we need to put a promise about rest.json is gonna be, let's write the article was sent it, right? We need also to make a dot catch if something goes wrong. Let's write rest.status. Let's write 500.json error, right? Let's see what happened right now. If I'm gonna try and send something else, second way, what is gonna happen is the article was sent it, right? And if you don't believe me, let's make a reload. Where is it yet? Second way. Right, we got it. Of course, I prefer the newest way, which is better with the promise a single way. It is much more elegant. So I'm just going to comment this. You can just use it and uncomment this with it is much more elegant and better way. Okay, right. Of course, we can use the same way with the second way here. With I'm gonna make it once, guys. I don't want to work with many ways. It's gonna take a lot of this tutorial, so a lot of time. So I'm gonna try here and show you the second way. Second way. So we have to put about schema dot find, right? Dot find. Then we need to put the dot then, right? About rest.json is gonna be here. We are gonna put the about, right? Of course, we need a catch here. Dot catch equal with, let's copy the same catch that we have here. Where is no catch copy. What did I do, guys? Don't believe it. We need this. Copy. Okay, this is the second way. Of course, you have to disable the first way. Right? And now it works. If you see, let's see, we are getting data. Of course, we are getting data. Right. I'm gonna disable the second. You can use whatever you want. And I'm just gonna use the first, which is much elegant and better. Right. Of course, I'm gonna need a try. Damn it. Try catch. Put it here. And here we are going to make the same thing, like here. Where is the catch? Right. Like this, guys. And we see that there is error. Let me see why. When you deal with many ways, these things happens. Let me see, get. Okay, the same thing. Don't believe it right now. Okay, maybe somewhere I messed up. I'm gonna delete all this, enable this. I believe that I comment this because this was a mistake. So I'm gonna delete the second way. I don't want to make it complicated. Also, you can keep it if you want, right? I'm gonna keep only this way. So also cut it, try catch. I'm gonna put this, and we need the same here about catch. Okay, seems okay, right? Let's deal right now. Let's see if it's really okay. Let's try to get, and we are getting the data.